Today, we will be doing a HyperLists review and demo walkthrough. HyperLists is an email marketing app that builds huge hyper email lists that are 10 times more engaged, cheaper, and profitable. HyperLists forces Google, Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo, and Amazon to send you real verified email leads that buys from you over and over again in 3 easy steps. Before we get started with the HyperLists review, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell, so you are notified when we upload new videos. Right, let's get started with the HyperLists review and demo walkthrough.
Hi guys, this is your friend Ram Rawat, the Mustached Marketer, and in this short video I'm going to walk you through inside the HyperList app dashboard. Okay, so you can see there are a couple of options on the left side. The first one is dashboard. So right now you're viewing this dashboard. You can check out the number of campaigns you created, the leads you have generated, and the different stats over here. Okay, then the second tab is about the training. So if you want to have the training, you can find all the training related to the app and lead generations in the training section. Then comes these 5 simple steps. These are the steps which will help you integrate your system, and you can get started with your first campaign URL, that unique URL that we promise on the sales page. Okay, so first of all, this number 1 option is first time setup. This option is for options like platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Amazon. So wherever you want to share your unique URL, and from whichever platform you want to capture these primary leads, you need to do the one-time integration of all those platforms inside this step. So you need to create an app, and all the trainings are already provided on in the help section. So you can find all the instructions over here, and you can get started with the your app creation for the HyperList, and then you can integrate them with the our dashboard. So once this setup is done, for example, you want to set it up for Facebook or Google, just do it one time, and once this is done, you won't require to have any additional repetition of these steps. Okay, once this is done, then you can create your lists. So inside the list section you can find 3 options: add list, view the list, and export. So add the list is a section where you can create your list. So for example, I want to create a list of let's say free ebook campaign. Okay, so this is my list name, and I'll just simply provide the description, whatever you want to add, and then submit. So my list will be added over here. You can check out that my list is added, free ebook campaign list, and from here you can check out all your lists. Then you can export your data from right over here. Then comes the third option, that is automation workflow. Inside automation workflow you can create your own automation. This is exactly like any other autoresponder, where you set up your automation emails. So for example, you want to set up your emails for welcome email, then follow-up emails. So you can do that directly from this option, that is add new workflow. And once you open this, you will be asked to provide a name of the automation. So for example, I'll since we have created that list, so I'll say free ebook follow-up sequence. So this is my automation campaign name, and I'll click on the next step here, and now you can see I'm given the option to create the steps. This is where I will be adding my emails. Okay, I have some pre-written emails over here. So suppose I want to add this email, I'll simply go here and I can start adding the first email, that is step 1. So for example, I want to send this email immediately when the person signs up, so I'll select the option immediately, and then I'll just simply click on save, and this will be my first email. Then I'll have to click on the design email option, and I can start creating the email. So this is the subject line, and now I'll add my email. You can edit inside the editor, and you can make all the changes you want. Once your email is done, you can save the email, and your first email will be going immediately when the person signs up to your list through that unique URL we are talking about. Okay, so once your first email is added, then you can add the next email. So suppose I want to send this email on the next day. and on any particular time, or for example I want to send this email on second day and I want to send it at 11 a.m. So I'll just simply save this. Now I've done the settings. Now I'll design the email. So second email, this is just for sample purpose. You can create your own emails and you can get started as per your requirements and the kind of list you are building and the niche that you are targeting. Okay, now I'll just save this email and done. So 2 of my emails are added. First email will go immediately, then next email will be going on the second day at 11 a.m. Eastern time, or the time that you have decided. Okay, so once this is done, then you can click on the next button and we'll just finish this setup and your automation flow is ready. Then let's talk about the fourth section over here, that is SMT profile. So this is also a one-time setup thing. Whenever you require to send emails, you will be requiring an SMTP profile. So you can add your SMT profile by going inside the add new profile option. You'll be provided with all the instructions. If you still have any questions, you can reach out to us on our support and your SMT profile will be shown over here. So for example, I have added my SendGrid SMTP profile and this is my email address from which I'll be sending the emails to my subscribers. Okay, then comes the fifth part. This is where the magic happens. So we are going to create our unique URL over here. So this is very important and this is where we are going to create our unique URL. So please watch this step carefully. So you can see now you are given the option to create the lead generation URL. So here you can name this campaign. So for example, I want to name this my ebook unique URL campaign. Okay, and now this is where you need to add your link. So whenever a person clicks from the whenever a person signs up through this unique URL, they will be, after signing up, they will be redirected to a certain page. So you can provide your affiliate link over here, or the page, thank you page, or the page where you want to send the traffic after they sign up to your list. So for example, I want to send the traffic to my my home site, that is ramrawat.com. You can add your affiliate link if you want, and then let's select the second option, that is social type. So which platform you want to target, you can select that platform. So right now, for example, I want to target Google. Like I want subscribers' primary email addresses that they are using in Google accounts, like their Gmail addresses. So right now I'm targeting Google. You can select whichever platform you want, and then next step. Now you are on this page. All you have to do, you have to select the list that you have created in the second section. So for which where your email subscribers will be added. So you want to send the subscribers to this list that we have created earlier. So this is our list, and now you have to select the automation workflow. So this is where your autoresponder settings will be done, like which email campaigns needs to be sent to these subscribers. Okay, so right now I'll select this the follow-up sequence that we have created, that is free ebook follow-up sequence. And now I'll select my SMT profile that I have already integrated. So this is my SMT profile, and this is done. Now I'll simply click on the next step and my unique URL will be generated. So you can see my unique URL is generated. I can simply copy this URL and I can click on the finish option, and I can check my generated URLs from this option, and you can see my unique URL is created for this campaign, for my ebook campaign, and right now it is showing 0 clicks, 0 leads. Now we will test this URL whether this is working or not by simply going in a new tab and opening this URL. So this is a demo account, a Gmail demo account I have created, and now we will be testing this account, testing this URL. So this, guys, see this is the URL that we have just generated over here. Now I'll simply open this URL. So this is the URL where you will be sending your traffic. You can share this URL anywhere you want. You can share this URL through your email traffic, your paid traffic, or free traffic, the main goal is to capture their primary email address in your subscribers list, so you can reach out to these subscribers. Okay, so I'll simply use this URL over here, and I'll simply click enter, and now you can see it will be providing me option to sign up. So a subscriber, when they click on this unique URL, they will be provided to sign up. And right now I'm signing up with this test email, that is ramtestingemail6@gmail.com, and now it should redirect me to the URL that I have added in my campaign, that is ramrawat.com. So now it has redirected me back to my affiliate link, technically the affiliate link where I wanted my traffic to be. And now I can check back here, and I'll refresh this thing, and you can see there was one click and one lead is added to this campaign. Now we can check the analytics, and we can click on view analytics, and you can see we have a new email added to this thing. Okay, so this was my campaign, and this is the test email that from which we have signed up. So right now you can see it's added to that free ebook campaign list. So the whole thing works, and you can check out, you can create your own campaigns, you can target whichever platform you want, do all the setups as instructed. And apart from that, I'll take you to the autoresponder setup, that is additional. So if you want to have you want to send emails without your SMTP profile, you can even also send emails through your autoresponder verification. So once you integrate your autoresponder through this options, for example, you are in active campaign, you can connect your active campaign account. If you are in SendLane, you can connect your SendLane account, and then you can sync. There is a sync option where you can sync everything from your autoresponder to HyperLists account, or if you want to send your subscribers from HyperLists account to your autoresponder, both are possible through the sync option. And other than that, there is a custom domain option, so you can have your custom domain integrated over here. Then you have JVZoo marketplace, so if you want to find offers directly from JVZoo, the best converting offers and everything, you can directly do the research over here. So for example, I want a graphic tool, so I can simply search, and it will find all the active offers from JVZoo account. Okay, so right now you can see these are the offers in this niche that we searched, that is graphic. And if you want to apply for any of these products, so right now you can see Neil Napier is selling some product that is of $67. So if you want to apply, you can apply it from here. You can have a sales page preview from here, and so you can see you can preview the sales page from here. Similarly, you can check out the other sales pages. So this is some tool that is for brand. If you want to promote this, you can promote it from by finding affiliate details and requesting your link from here. So guys, this is really easy to use software, and I hope I have covered everything possible. If you still have any questions, you can reach out to me, and that's it from my side. Okay, there is one thing that we missed. We have to check whether we received the email or not. So this was the email address, and we have received an email over here, and I'll just check this. So this was the email. So we have covered everything, and if you still have any questions, queries, please reach out to me. I'll be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching this HyperLists review and demo walkthrough. To find out more about HyperLists, click the link in the description below.